In today's video, we are unboxing the new Dbrand Steamdeck case and also comparing its box to the original Dbrand Steamdeck case and the original included carrying case with the 256 gig Steamdeck. As you can see, I already have the original case on my Steamdeck, and its case looks far nicer. I don't know if this is because Dbrand is not spending extra to send me the same box. They're just sending the case in a newer box. It's different from what people will be getting if they just order it today. So I don't know if your experience will be different. This is what my boxes look like. So to start, we'll open the original Steamdeck Dbrand case box. It opens like this on a hinge. It has everything included right there. As you can see, I keep this in here because I don't really use it. Along with the thumbstick grips. Only have one out right now. It's pretty simple. Has a very nice graphic on the back. Overall feels nice. It is a fingerprint magnet. I don't know if that's focused. I won't know till I start editing, so that'll be fun. This is the hinge. It's very nice, very easily dirty. There's the box that the Steamdeck came in. The paper thing is in my closet. I forgot about that. If you didn't know, the original Dbrand Steamdeck case does fit inside of here. You can close it, and it fits like a normal Steamdeck without a case. It is also heavily used and very dirty. Here is the, I have an LTT sticker on there, by the way. Just magnetically attaches, similar to MagSafe. I kind of wish they would have used the MagSafe ring of magnets, rather than coming up with their own system with dimples and positions like this. Although I don't know if that would have been weaker or stronger. But anyways, you can't buy this anymore, so it doesn't really matter. Here is before we unbox it, we will take out the Steamdeck from this case. We will leave this over here. Standard Steamdeck. It feels small outside of the case. It's a little bit bigger than the Switch, mainly wider. Onto the main show. The thing you're probably here for. The new case. Its box is very binary. It is quite a bit of binary on it. I don't know what any of this says. It might not say anything, to be honest. I like the paper tape. What is this? This is my first time ever unboxing, if you didn't notice already. It comes assembled. I think it did in the original. I don't have an unboxing video for that, I don't think. It is lighter weight, although most of that weight comes from the magnet section. So what did they do instead? Ooh. And they added a SD card holder. So it's very similar to how a camera lens would mount with bayonets. So remove, rotate. There's your peel. Okay, we'll put that back. And this. What is this? Does that go here? What is this? The original out of the way. And a Type-C. And a foam thing. Ooh. It's a Type-C extension. Why would I need a Type-C extension? Was anyone having an issue with this? Is there anything else? No, there's not anything else. With the box out of the way, installation is much the same. It is lighter with the new case on. I kind of like that. I don't know if this, the bayonet, will allow it to fit in the case. It does stick up from the bottom enough to where it rocks around, and it still fits just fine. I wouldn't worry too much about it. The Type-C extension is a Type-C extension. I assume all of the pins are connected. Still don't know what this is for. I can probably Google it. It seems to just fit on there like oh, it's a stand. Because these stick out farther. Yeah, I'm never gonna use that. This is never staying on here. Yeah, that's going in the box. Along with this, because I don't think I'll ever use this. I'm gonna bet this is for the official Steamdeck dock, but I do not have that, so I don't know if the Steamdeck dock would fit without that. That will also go in the box. So anyways, they're pretty much the same. This one's a little heavier and more worn because I've been using it. I wouldn't worry too much about it being any worse. It feels exactly this. Yeah, it feels exactly the same, other than the bayonet on the back, which has binary in it too. So anyways, goodbye. I hope this used this microphone and not the one up there.